Hey guys, so we just launched the Kilo roof rack for 2009 to 2021 12th and 13th generation Ford F-150. Also fits the first and second gen Ford Raptor. So this roof rack's 100% made in the US, actually right here, actually by the good boys in the background. It has some cool features to it as well. So it's really low profile, it's quiet, it's strong, it's durable. It's made out of aluminum and stainless steel, so no component on here is ever gonna rust on you. Install's pretty straightforward. Can be done with one guy, probably realistically in about an hour. And let's point out a few features that make it kind of unique. When building this roof rack, it comes with the wind fairing here, and it's kind of a modular wind fairing. Right now, there's no light bar in it at all. Over here, you can actually see what it looks like with a light bar cut out. This is on a Tacoma, obviously, but the rack is of the same style. So you don't need to choose with or without a light bar when you're ordering it. Maybe you don't have a light bar now, but you want to get a light bar later. Don't worry about it. This little part right here just pops out and the light bar goes in its place. Along the side here, you can see we have a formed over side rail. This makes it look beautiful for aesthetics, but also makes it a little streamlined, so all the bolts are actually on top here. It adds a lot of rigidity to the rack. You'll see a lot of rack systems out here. This is just flat aluminum, and this will bend out, or it'll be kind of like wavy along the side. Looks horrible, isn't as strong. This will not bend out on you at all. So aesthetic, but also wildly functional. Same deal with the front here. Everything is precision fit with very small gaps, so very quiet roof rack. Also, there's no little rubber trim that's touching anywhere here. Another thing you'll see with roof racks like this is a little rubber trim here that is actually touching the paint. So you either need to install paint protection film or you're gonna wear right through your paint, which is no good. So nothing touching the paint on this rack. On the side here, we have a couple cutouts. These are for, we call them seam pods. So you can cut these little guys, pop them out, and then in their place, you'll put rock lights that essentially angle off to the side. We'll overlay some B-roll of kind of how those look. And that's really great for at camp or in the parking lot. You can wire it up to a switch controller or wire it up to your interior lights or whatever, and then that basically just illuminates the whole side of the truck. Super handy. Speaking of handiness, these are where our handles attach. We'll show some B-roll as well of those, but optional grab handles. If you're getting up on your truck and accessing it and actually using your roof rack a lot, the handles are really, really functional. We build them not just to look good, but with all of our things to be wildly functional, so they're really ergonomic and nice to grab a hold of. Along the side, you'll also notice these little cutouts. While they are kind of an aesthetic touch, they do serve a functional purpose. So you can use these to strap stuff to, and they're actually sized perfectly. We're big fans of perfect bungees around here. So these will go right in there and strap right over the top. So we really designed this roof rack to be super modular and very easy to use. So you don't need a bunch of specialized hardware to attach things to and just waste a bunch of time strapping stuff to the roof if you just want to throw a bag up there. This is the fastest roof rack to attach that kind of stuff to. Speaking of that easy usability, modularity kind of transfers to our crossbars up here. So we'll climb on top and kind of show you what's going on. All right, so these are stainless steel crossbars. We make these and powder coat them in-house right here. So this is one of the most, if not the most, made in-house roof rack. A lot of people are using the 80/20 extrusions, which they're outsourcing. Sometimes those are made in the USA and high quality. Sometimes they're not, so you never really know. A lot of manufacturers, roof rack manufacturers, are using high quality stuff, but you never know. These we make ourselves, so they are super great, durable, as you can see. You can stand on them, whatever. In the top, the nice thing that separates these from extrusions are kind of nice because You can buy a bunch of different specialized hardware to attach a bunch of different things. That's cool. But this is kind of cool because you can use M8 carriage bolts to tie stuff down to and attach different things, but you can also through bolt. You can just use any nut and bolt to attach anything you want. These crossbars you can slide back and forth so you can position them wherever you need, and you don't need any specialized bracketry just to bolt something to. Just like on our side rails here, these also are great for perfect bungees. So say you have something that you really want to strap in here to here, you can do that. Say you want to strap something directly right here to directly right here, you can do that very fast, very easy. You don't need to move brackets and rings around to do something easy like attaching stuff that you want to carry on your rack. Cool, so that is our Kilo roof rack for the 2009, the 12th and 13th generation, 2009 to 2021, as well as first and second gen Ford Raptor F-150s. Beautiful rack, again, very quiet, very rugged, and just, we want to make everything stupid easy for you guys to use. So that's it in a nutshell. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to customer service and we'd love to help you get your rig all dialed in. These ship fast. Right now they're shipping in under a week, and it's my favorite rack that we make. All right, take it easy.